Open the packaging box, which contains one set of installation kit, 2 keys, for 200 mAh a lithium battery, 2 IC cards, and 1 opening hole diagram. Install the lock body onto the door, and fix the upper and lower screws. If holes are required, please refer to the hole diagram for holes. Lock cylinder installation. Tighten the screw tube. Insert the square strip. Insert the front plate square strip pivot into the square strip. Tighten the square strip. Observe the length of the square, and cut the square strip to extend it 20 to 30 millimeters beyond the door. Insert the anti-lock paddle. Adjust the length of the paddle according to the position of the lock body, and ensure that it can be inserted by 20 to 30 millimeters. Plug in the aerial wiring properly. Install the back panel. Plug the excess connecting wires into the door. Insert the locking lever into the lock body, and synchronously insert the square bar and lock core. Secure the front and rear panels. Tighten the screws to make them parallel to the door, and then tighten the screws. Is the rebound of the front and rear handles flexible when pressed down? Can the anti-lock knob be turned to open or close normally? Can the mechanical key unlock normally? And then install the battery and cat eye screen? Open the Graffiti app. Wake up the panel, and add a smart lock. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Wake up the lock panel and press *#123456 to enter the lock settings. Multiple unlocking methods, such as card, password, fingerprint can be added. Please follow the voice prompts to perform the corresponding operations. Press the positioning button on the front handle, and rotate it to unlock the door with the key. Restore factory settings. Press the factory reset button frequently for 5 seconds.